Yeah, competitive is there's no way to tell. They fucked it. Should have just kept it like
Just my
CS1.
first comp ever.
It is
Sorry.
soft right now, yeah. That's why I usually play Premier, but Premier is soft too.
Grenade.
Yeah, they're just holding banana right now, 3. One's off though.
Oh man, they're dead.
Grenade out.
Yeah. Thank you. Best
Nice.
Clear, lads.
Who what's up?
Fuck, man.
Up.
How's it going, everyone? Let's start this live build. What it was used for before. This isn't only an i5 2500. They you hear that? I guess. Super Pi, some 32M Super Pi on LGA 1366. I just did a quick test with one memory stick on stock setting. 1070 that I had in the are just these tiny little guys here. And normally you would just put it on 2, so that way it would just come. As you see there, my little technique that I like to use with this tip and doing these tiny little shunts is just pinching the shunt to put it on. Once it's on top of the SM in front of me, in front of you, what you can see here was a flagship GPU from 2017. This GPU launched March 10th, 2017. A lot to say about this card, so let's get her done. So a couple of things about this graphics card is this is the EVGA one. No way you're Sebi. There's no way you're Sebi. Are you actually Sebi? There's no way. Are you actually Sebi? No way. Well, man, I talk about you all the time, man. Yeah, awesome. Yeah, I I show off your records and that all the time. That's no way. No way. Oh well, awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah. If you're doing liquid nitrogen, you're definitely gonna get some 7.7 thing. But Exaberries is just crazy. Exaberries score 2 minutes 9 seconds is really good. Really good for the score. Do you want to join my team and Discord? Weg? Exaberries and all the Canadians are on it. I know they're on it. I've been trying to get my team up and going, but it has not. No one's wanting to join it, so I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't mind joining it for sure, man.
6 volts into the CPU to get 6.5 gigahertz out of it, and guess what? Don't need that. You can, like, everyone would think, oh, you're degrading the CPU. Yes, you're technically degrading the CPU as long as you're keeping the CPU cool. You can put voltage into it. It may degrade the CPU a little bit, but If, as long as you're taking care of it and you're watching the actual, it's not spiking too much while you're on a certain temperature, it's not going to degrade the CPU as fast as what you think. There are CPUs, I have CPUs that are 15 years old, have put tons of voltage through them, put them through heavy workloads, and they're just fine. From what I found was putting it to a fixed V core at 1.36 5 volts. So as you see here, it finally hit 1.368 volts because that little spike, sometimes it just needs that little spike on that core. It doesn't need it to go up to what I was seeing without this fix I did, and everyone else is what they're telling me. It was going up to 1.58 volts. I'm like, well, 1.58 volts at 5.6? That doesn't even make sense. And it was crashing. CS2 crashed. So I just want to say a big shout out to my subscribers and to my donators. Again, thank you all so much for everything. You helped me out through the competition. You helped me out for my move. You helped me out for a lot of things. So I cannot thank you all enough. If you're new to the channel, thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not subscribed, you guys should definitely think about subscribing. This channel's just going to keep going and going and going and hopefully getting better and better each day. As you can see right from the start, we didn't even have activate Windows. We had watermark due to the fact that I did a lot of overclocking. I was doing over and over Windows 11, Windows 10 and different Windows, so I didn't put the Windows key in on every time. So yeah, we started off with no Windows activation key, and we now do. Started off not even in Team WEG, which is one of the best overclocking teams there is, and now we're in Team WEG, so that's awesome there. It was crazy to see. Again, awesome. Alright, thanks for watching, everyone, and as always, don't forget to get her done, and let's see what the next year brings. Take her easy.